There has been a castle here since the Roman Empire. It is believed an officer in the army of Julius Caesar built a stronghold on this rocky outcrop. Built of wood, this stronghold held a commanding position over the surrounding lands and trade routes. The first official record of Apchon Castle dates back to the end of the 1st century AD, when it was owned by Amblard d'Apchon. Amblard used the stronghold as his home. He took advantage of the old trade routes by setting up the Apchon trading post, which gave the family wealth, power, and nobility. In the 11th century, the family made significant changes, including rebuilding the stronghold in stone. The resulting castle was then named Apchon. The castle played a pivotal role during the 100 Years' War. The English captured the neighboring region, and Apchon Castle became the frontier for defense. During the wars, the English attacked the castle. Its location and defenses meant the sieges were unsuccessful. By this time, the Apchon family's power was so great that it was William VI of Apchon who led the French army in the reconquest of lands held by the English, using the castle as a base. Throughout the 14th century, the castle was extended. A magnificent inner castle was added with 7 towers. Apchon became a powerful family fortress.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.